Hey you, I got something special for you today. It's Sunjung from Hungry Gopher. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving? I'm thankful for you for being a part of the Hungry Gopher community, and I'm thankful for my health. When I resumed working on Hungry Gopher at the beginning of this year, I was very sick, but I knew I had to take baby steps to move forward. So I worked 5 minutes and rested for 55 minutes. So I'm very grateful that I can work again and share my stories to empower you to lose weight and transform your health. If you want to lose those stubborn last 10 pounds, or if you want to get lasting weight loss without bouncing back, one of the key points is eating a healthy diet that is flavorful. No matter how healthy a certain diet is, it's not going to be sustainable if you starve yourself from what you enjoy eating. I recommend implementing a Korean diet. Why? Because an authentic Korean diet is naturally low in calorie and high in fiber. And what's even better? It's full of flavors without using excessive amount of fat. So as a thank you gift, I made top 3 Korean recipes to burn fat just for you. Check out hungrygopher.com to download your free gift. So let me show you what's in the gift. Number 1, simple kimchi recipe. Proven by almost 900,000 views on YouTube, kimchi is full of nutrition and it's probiotic, which improves your digestion, therefore your weight loss. Eat it just like this. A fun way to try is kimchi mashed potato. My mother-in-law made kimchi mashed potato for Thanksgiving. Oh, let me tell you, it was amazing. Number 2, Korean egg roll. It's packed with protein, which is the building block of your muscles. Your muscles are a fat-burning machine. This recipe is so simple, you probably have all the ingredients in your fridge. Number 3, kimbap, Korean seaweed roll. I love this comment from your peer. This has become an addictive comfort food, and I am Polish, not Korean. Perfect every time. You can find all these recipes at hungrygopher.com. Get top 3 Korean recipes to burn fat. Follow the link in the description box below this video to get instant access to your free gift. Try these recipes and let me know how it goes. Celebrate who you are and celebrate where you are. I have a lot more exciting weight loss tips coming for you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.